Corn salad, super simple, super easy to come together. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. I have 2 ears of corn here. Lots of different tricks to cutting corn. You can use like the bowl method where you put one bowl inside of another upside down. Kind of keeps the corn in place, kind of keeps it steady. I've never used this method before. I'm not sure if I will use it again. All right, so we have our corn. Let's go and add some tomatoes. So I'm just gonna quarter these tomatoes. Just simple cherry tomatoes. And just add those. You know, just have some fun. Cut them up. There's really no right or wrong way, right? It's like about putting ingredients that you like, that you want to eat. I'm going to add a bit of an onion. We're just gonna really just do a fine dice on this. So I just make slices, throw out the onion here, and then just get at it and chop. I'm gonna go for some radish. I want a little bit more crunch in there. What I'm gonna do is just take off the ends, cut in half, give it a flat surface. Things are easier to cut when it's flat. Just gonna thinly slice and then get them combined, kind of in the same direction again. And we'll slice it again. Let's get a jalapeno just for a little kick. So I'm just gonna cut my jalapeno into strips. You know, try to cut things as evenly as possible because the things are the same size. You know, they marinate and cook around the same rate. So I got a little jalapeno. Let's chop up a little garlic. So what I do with garlic, I just mash it, remove the outside skin. I'm just gonna take my knife, run it one direction through the garlic, scoop the garlic up, move it around, run it another direction, kind of rock my knife through it. All right, one last time. Just really chop, mince that garlic. It goes in. Got your makings for your salad here. Let's make a little bit of a dressing. All right, any salad, you need a dressing, right? So I'm gonna go for a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. I'm gonna do a teaspoon salt, teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, a teaspoon of sugar. Well, I'm gonna add a little bit of spices as well, but just a little bit. So I'm gonna do a quarter teaspoon of chili, quarter teaspoon of coriander, quarter of cumin, and a bit of oregano, quarter teaspoon of oregano. So I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna whisk this together. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice. Juice about 4 limes. So I have about 1.5 ounces of lime juice. I'm gonna add that. Whisk this again. Now we combine the vinaigrette with the veggies. We mix. So mix well. Let's take a bite. Oh, that's great. Let's finish it off with just a little parsley. Just finely chop this parsley. Again, I'm just folding it up and just getting right through it, stems and all. Looks good. Freshen it up with a little parsley. Let's spoon ourselves some of this beautiful corn salad. Finish the little cotija. And some pepitas, also known as pumpkin seeds. Oh, this is so good. So tasty, so simple, so easy to put together. If you like this video, to hit the subscribe button. I got videos coming out every week. Like to use fresh seasonal ingredients, like things to be tasty. I like things to be quick, fast, no fuss, no muss. And we'll see you soon. Cast Iron Gourmet out. Peace.